Hello, my name is Joffrey Williams. I am your front-end developer session lead. Today I will discuss some elements of responsive web design that you will surely use at some point or another during your learning journey. On slide 2, one of the most important elements of responsive web design are the HTML layout elements. Choosing the proper layout for what you're trying to display is a very important decision in ensuring your project is a success. HTML has several semantic elements that define the different parts of a web page, and they are identified below. One of the elements is the header, which, as you can guess, defines a header for a document or a section. Another element is nav. The nav, which will define a set of navigational links. Yet another is called a footer. If you haven't guessed it, a footer defines a footer of a document or section that you're trying to locate on the web page. And then we have details. Details provide additional details, and the user can open and close on demand. On this next slide, I will describe HTML layout techniques that you will surely come across. There are 4 different techniques to create multi-column layouts. The first one will be the CSS framework. This technique will be used to create your layout fast. Some example frameworks are W3.CSS and Bootstrap. The second technique I will discuss is the float property technique. With this technique, it is common to do routine web layouts. It's more common. The third technique is the CSS Flexbot layout. We use this layout to ensure that elements behave predictably when the page layout must accommodate different screen sizes and different display devices. And then the fourth technique is the CSS grid layout. This module offers a grid-based layout system with rows and columns, making it easier to design web pages without having to use floats and positioning. On the final slide is an example of a grid-based design for layout. On the grid-based design, the viewer is guided to focus first at the top left and read from left to right, and then guided to do the same for the next row. You will surely encounter these types of designs as you move forward in your learning journey. Thank you for listening, and good luck on your training. Thank you.